Hi, hello. Welcome to day 21. Please take a moment and read disclaimers and most commonly making mistakes. You- And what happened to the today's say about in our series? Let's see. Our series name is Spiny Mouse, and we have set of rules. Like here you can see low risk taker, low all those things, and some predefined things we started with, and we need to manage within those things. And budget like total money we used this buffer we have risk reward, then maximum load loss, then other things as well. Currently we have booked around 59,288.2 minus 6921.7. It's like same as yesterday because we haven't changed any position today. And day 21 and 26th November we started with this position. If you see at the time, if it is between 2500, 2400 and 25,000, we will get profit around um, 15k, and if it is loss, minus 15k. But market went like anything, and we also first we initially we haven't adjusted many, but later we started booking profit and make started making adjustment, and more and more we made adjustment. Now like you can see a lot of adjustment we have made, and market moved violently on day 17 trading day. You can see if it is market moved just 1%, 1.5%, 2%, then we will be in very good profit. But actually at the time market is on 23 350 only. Market is around 23 350. From that point within 2 days it went like anything. And here you can see after that market moved violently, and that time also I was saying like 1.5% to 3%, if it moves also, then we will be in very good profit. But again we adjusted the position because of that. Now moving up, it won't give. This is also day 19. Moving up, it won't give much profit. We need for us it need to go down actually for now because it went up too much. So we are waiting for to uh, go up. So what I'm expecting, like I'm waiting like it will go down and fill that gap, but it's not like 100% sure. Yeah, you can see this gap need to be filled, so it may go little more up and it will come back again, and it need to go up. So there might be possible 2 days it will consolidate, or 2 days it will go up, then it will come back to that again below to fill that gap, and it can go up. So that may be the possible. Otherwise from tomorrow or day after tomorrow also it can go down and to fill that gap, and it will go back again, go up again. So anything can happen, but we are not sure what will happen. For now just I have put that in here. So what will happen when it moves upside, risk will be fixed. Downside we have unlimited profit, and unrealized loss profit realized profit is 959 288. That is we booked this many position we booked, and unrealized will be minus 60,921. In that gold today also went down 1.5%. So now we are around minus 384 out of 16,000 rupees, and we are waiting for it, waiting for until this November series to close. Then we can buy some more gold, and we will see in after Thursday like what are the mistakes we have made in this first month in this is rainy season, what are the rules we've missed to follow, and how we can improve that, so that next it can we can survive in this market for much more times, and we need to improve our risk management things. That's what we are trying to show in this series. So what we need to do, what we should not do. So we need to be careful about these points. So even though it is written, but we may miss to follow. So we need to be strictly follow. Let's see what will happen. I will give to today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow also update. Then we will see whether we went up with profit or loss.